Welcome to this session in which we will instill a sense of self-love and acceptance. I am your host, Maura. To start, find a quiet and comfortable place where you can sit or lie down without distractions. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Take a moment to tune in with yourself. Focus your attention on your breath, noticing the sensation of air flowing in and out of your body. Allow your mind to become still, free from any worries or concerns. Let yourself simply be. Now bring your mind to a time when you felt truly loved and accepted. Maybe it was a moment with a friend, a family member, a child, or a partner. Perhaps it was a time when you accomplished something that made you feel proud of yourself. Whatever the memory is, allow yourself to fully experience it again, feeling the warmth and love that comes with it. As you bask in this feeling of love, direct it towards yourself. Imagine that same love and acceptance you felt coming from someone else is now being directed towards you. See yourself wrapped in a warm, glowing light that represents self-love and acceptance. Take a deep breath and affirm to yourself, I am deserving of love. I am enough just as I am. Repeat this affirmation a few times, allowing the words to sink in. I am deserving of love. I am enough just as I am. I am deserving of love. I am enough just as I am. Take a moment to think about all the things you love about yourself. Perhaps it's your sense of humor, your creativity, or your kindness. Allow yourself to feel gratitude for these special qualities and let the gratitude expand throughout your entire body. I am so grateful for being me. I am so grateful for being me. Take another deep breath and imagine that you are wrapping yourself in a warm hug, just as if you were hugging a dearest friend. Feel the warmth and comfort of that embrace and allow yourself to fully receive it. Now speak these words to yourself gently and with love. I love you. You are amazing. You matter. You are enough. Take a deep breath in and let it out. When you are ready, you may slowly open your eyes. Remember that you can return to this feeling of self-love at any time, simply by closing your eyes and tuning in with your heart. Carry this loving feeling with you throughout your day, knowing that you are loved and you are enough. Namaste.